Sing with Moo!
In the garden near the tree, Tiny Moo found something key. Buried deep beneath the rocks was a glowing mystery box. What's inside? What could it be? A puzzle wrapped in mystery, with a sparkle and a pop. Tiny Moo says, let's not stop. She opened up the creaky lid, and out flew sparkles that gently slid. A map, a star, a riddle note, and tiny boots for cows that float. What's inside? What could it be? A puzzle wrapped in mystery, with a sparkle and a pop. Tiny Moo says, let's not stop. Clues and colors, twisty trails, magical keys and rainbow sails. Every box holds dreams anew. Adventure calls for Tiny Moo. So if you find a box one day, don't be scared, just smile and say, with Moo beside me, come what may, the world's a magic place to play.
Thanks for singing with Moo!